Hello, this is CyberDragon. Today I'm going to talk about pepper4b.com to see if it's legit. First, they'll train you how to become an affiliate member by giving you a 14-day trial. They only have 170 users and they book about 40 calls per day. It's click funneling group, so you make money through clicks and you can add friends as well. The target market, target prospect, dashboard. See, book more calls. This is a demonstration. Send friend requests, welcome messages. They keep, and everything's on autopilot. Keep track of your leads in Messenger. Speak with more people with canned response. Land more sales, make more money. There's a lot of testimony from a lot of these people. So far, check the website's pretty much, there's no scam, so I think they pay you. If you cancel account, will you lose your data? They keep all data back up when you want to come back. It's 2020. You can also become an affiliate. It's an affiliate program, so you have to become an affiliate program. Fill out your email and the basic information, sign up. You earn about 50% commission for all paying customers. Let's see, how do they pay you? Majority will say PayPal, how they pay people. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit the notification. And I hope to see you guys next time.